Yo, what's up? It's your boy Cryptic, FYI. So today, as you guys can see, we're gonna be doing a waterproof test with the GoPro Hero 7 White. Let's do it, guys. We're gonna do it right now. So, I don't know. Let's try it. Let's try it. Hold on. So, this is how it is when we put it in. Still works. Now we're gonna test it by freaking. We're just gonna face it to me. Yo, this thing works though. Look at this. This thing still works. Look at that. Wet finger. Yes, now I'm just gonna drop it in there. It still works. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's underwater. But yo, this thing still works. What the frick? There's no freaking way, bro. There's no way. Bruh, well, hey, that was the GoPro test. You already know. And looks like the mission was completed. Yo, I'll do that a couple more times, bro. I'll do that a couple more times. I can't. That thing is sick, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. That is sick, bro. That is sick. Yo, I'm gonna post this real quick, but mission completed to me. Like, that was a mission completed. Like, if it wasn't waterproof, I wouldn't do this. Like, I read that it was waterproof, so I did it. Yeah, just sex me in right here. Hey, but hey, it worked though. It worked. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. This was a waterproof test and mission completed. Freaking mission completed. GTA 5. But yeah, I'm gonna go, guys. But hey, mission non-failed. Peace out, guys. I love you guys.